Hi, my name is Siala, and I'm a volunteer with Our Children International. And here I am with my friend. She can introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Emelise. I am also a volunteer with Our Children International. Our Children International is partnering with Seek and Save Humanity, Burundi, as well as Jars of Love Community and YWAM. And we are here in the Makamba province, Burunga.
Yes, right.
And
Yes.
we are going to show you the services we're offering. So, first, we had so many people come this morning to receive medical attention that we are servicing as many as we can right now, and the rest, all of these over here, are going to come back tomorrow. We gave them numbers, and they will come back with those numbers tomorrow, and we'll take care of them then.
Yes.
You can come along with us now to see the other services we offer.
So currently, these people are being served right now, and the only ones who are gonna be served for the rest of the day. There are many of them, but we also have plenty of volunteers. And the other side is those who are gonna go home, but they have specific numbers, so they're gonna arrive tomorrow, and they're gonna be the first to be served.
All right, you can follow us into this room where we check everyone's blood pressure.
Yes. So technically, we're checking those who are kind of like concerned, who want to know what is like their blood pressure's level, because most of them they never really have this opportunity to do it. So having someone to just like offer these services for free is something that is very, it's not taken for granted, and it's very cool. This is like, it's obvious that most people want to know their blood pressure. So right now, this is where people are getting are sitting and waiting to get this health screening. So it's pretty much packed right now, but this is the line, and there's different rooms throughout this area we are in where people can come in and get health screenings. So in this building, there's different room for screening, health screening, and these people are one of the areas they're currently waiting for their turn to meet with the doctors to get this health screen.
All right, and then right here are some more people who are waiting for their health screenings. And this room is where we have our tooth extractions.